All right, I wanted to do a quick demonstration today of the license plate camera and how we interact with that through the IVMS 4200 software. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up this data retrieval section in the software. I'm going to put in my date, searching for vehicles, pick the camera that I want to search on, hit search. It's going to populate a list of pictures that it's captured of vehicles and tags. And then once that's populated, we can narrow that information down. So this is page 1 of 1. I can shuffle over and go to page 2 of 2. And I quickly have a snapshot of every vehicle that's passed on that road. Now let's just say we wanted to narrow it down. So we click on this red truck. We see it has a plate number of 2053345. So one thing that we could do is, you notice 533 is part of that tag, or you could use the whole tag, but 533 is in there. So we could actually go back down here, type in 533. You could broaden your search to maybe an entire week if you wanted to. Hit search. And now you're going to see every time that vehicle has come and went. So we can see both these images now of, here's where it was leaving, here's where it was coming in. And that's just a quick snapshot of the license plate camera and how we connect and communicate with it through the IVMS 4200 software.